The Utah Grants was implemented as a statewide tool for us to manage our education grants in a way that education grants needed to be managed. I am Rebecca Nielsen. I'm the Director of Grants Administration for the Utah State Board of Education, and I have worked for the Board of Education for the last 7 years. There were a lot of requirements specific to education and specific to state of Utah education programs that were not achievable through an off-the-shelf product. Prior to implementing our electronic grants management system, our grants within the Utah State Board of Education were managed separately by each individual section. PDF, emails back and forth, Word documents, sometimes no documents, and they were held locally by the individual representative that was over that grant, and things would get lost and it was hard to find things, and there was no uniformity, and there was quite a bit of audit findings or just missed opportunities for administering our grants effectively. Implementing the GovGrants product has helped us to gain some consistency across all of our grant programs while still being able to be nimble enough to collect the specific information needs with custom created forms or documents that we can attach to an application unique to each program and each funding source, but in one unified system and one unified process across all sections within the agency. The value that we have gained with GovGrants is that we have a unified platform that we can run all of our grants through. We've been able to customize that in such a way that it meets our specific needs. I think it's added efficiency in process and also expectations from our partners. They know how things run through the agency. We've got one process, one system that is nimble enough to meet the needs of each specific program, but consistent across multiple areas. We have had clean audit findings every year ever since we implemented the grants management solution. No audit findings is a really big deal in our world. We have one of the great values that we had in meeting with REI is they helped us to define our processes. In the state of Utah before the implementation of the grants management system was the fact that we did things so differently from section to section. The grant management system helped us to unify all of those processes and create policies and procedures that were unified across the agency and a process that utilized one system and one approach. So we were able to gain much more consistency and add much more efficiency